a big part of what I do is also helping people problem solve and work through those challenges. Spark all of you to create that awesome team environment.
He brought a lot of energy. Our staff really enjoyed their time with him, and he really taught us how to communicate better. And after the session was over, I got such great feedback from our staff and how much they enjoyed and learned a lot from him.
Being effective in what you do, but also being aware that I'm part of a bigger picture.
He engages the staff in a way that just makes them get involved with the presentation and really makes them feel involved with the whole plan that he's got for the day. It's not just one person sitting there and talking to you and talking at you. Ryan really engages all of us and makes us really get involved, which is awesome.
And it's not just about speaking. More importantly, we're going to spend a lot of time today on active listening skills. And how do you engage with someone maybe when there's a disagreement, or engage with someone that you don't know, you never met before, that looks like they could use your help.
He engaged the staff on a group basis, also one-on-one, and really talked about each person's personality, different traits, and how we can lead better, communicate better with not just our staff, with our customers, our fans, our clients, associates. And the overall program, he kind of took us through step by step. And I can tell you that we learned a lot.
It is so crucial that there's shared understanding of that process versus, I think it's this way, I think it's this way.
Something that Ryan did a great job with talking to us as a staff, and it was getting us to learn how to communicate with each other. A lot of times we work with each other a lot of hours, and Ryan gave us some really great tips on how to be a good teammate, and some good information. Even somebody like me that's been doing this for 25 years, I learned a lot of really good tips.
One of the most important things that we can do as a part of a team is recognize that friendly competition is always a plus. It's great. If you don't win, you want to be the biggest fan of the people who did win.